Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I want to show you some of these great assortment mixes we have at beadaholique.com. And I actually wanted to do a video because I recently found these on our website. I didn't know we had them, and I wanted to show you what they look like in person. So let's go ahead and start with this huge one in the middle. So this is a vintage button mix, and it is assorted, so your selection will vary, but this is 1 pound, and this is what 1 pound looks like. I'm going to spread it out. And I love the sound. So if we look at some of these, and again, it will vary in the size and the styles, but they're all metal, and they're from production during the 60s and 70s. So they're a wonderful vintage collection and just so cool. Just a lot of different things you can do with all of these. Here is a project actually that one of our past designers, Carlin, made, and she just actually snipped off the back shank and she glued it onto these glue-on pads. So that's a really fun little project you can make. I've also seen people use these buttons to embellish pillows and napkin rings, do all sorts of fun stuff with them, handbags, but just so many, and you get a full pound. So if a pound is maybe too much, you're thinking of using these, but you're not quite sure you want to do a full pound, there is actually a little smaller assortment, and this is 1/4 of a pound. And again, it's going to be a mix of these different styles, different colors, again, all metal from the 60s and 70s, just so very fun. I love these. I am a lover of buttons. I love going to antique fairs and finding them, so this is really fun and exciting. Another vintage item that we have a mix of are these Lucite Rivolis and Pendants. So your assortment again will mix. This is 2 ounces though. So this is what 2 ounces looks like. Now I do have a project that uses some of the vintage links. And so this is a project by our designer, Kat, and it's actually a recent project on our website. And so I don't see any of this red one in this mix, but I do see some of the purple ones. So really fun, but gives you an idea of what you can do with this. And I'm just going to pull some of these out. You see that there's little pendants that just have 1 loop up the top. And then there's links, which have 2 loops. And you could connect all of these together. You can make a really fun chain. You can make a little earring just like that. So again, a lot of things you can do, and a nice 2 ounce assortment. And the other assortments I'm going to show you are also 2 ounces. We have cultured sea glass spikes. Now these measure 18 millimeters tall by 12 millimeters wide. You see they're flat on the base, and they have 2 holes, which actually makes them ideal for bead weaving. So you could bead weave with these if you wanted to. And you also get some of these little round beads in the mix as well. And then over here on the other side of the table, I have a little ocean themed mix. So you see we've got starfishes, we have little fishies of different sizes, different shells. So this again is 2 ounces as well. And then up here we have a leaf themed one. So all these pretty leaves of different colors and different shapes. And I love the sea glass. It's so pretty. It's great to make beachy jewelry, a lot of fun, even heirloom jewelry. I know a lot of people personally who collect sea glass on the beach, and so I've often used these to make them presents because I knew that they actually love sea glass, so it would be meaningful to them. So again, 2 ounces, 2 ounces, 1/4 of a pound, 2 ounces, and 2 ounces, and then this big, huge one is 1 pound. And these are all on the beadaholique.com website. So these are fun mixes you'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little show and tell video. I really wanted to show you what these look like in person and be able to touch and feel them. If you do like working with these type of beads and supplies, please do check out our website, beadaholique.com, for lots of project inspiration.